Geopolitical tensions surged after U.S. Operation Midnight Hammer on 22 June 2025 saw B-2 stealth bombers target Iran's Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan nuclear facilities, dropping 14 30,000-pound GBU-57 bunker busters alongside Tomahawk cruise missiles from a submarine. The Pentagon described it as the largest B-2 strike in U.S. history. Bombers staged from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, circled by decoys near Guam, and executed mid-air refuelings before striking. This U.S. action followed Israeli airstrikes earlier in June, which targeted Iranian air defenses and nuclear infrastructure, executed primarily by F-35I jets, helping condition the battlefield. Israel's Prime Minister Netanyahu applauded the U.S. strike, calling it history-changing. In retaliation, Iran's parliament voted to consider closing the Strait of Hormuz, a maritime choke point through which about 20–30% of global oil and one-third of seaborne LNG passes. While the final decision lies with Iran's Supreme National Security Council, such a move would shock global markets. Brent crude, already hovering near $80 per barrel, reflects this volatility. Analysts warn prices could climb to $100 to $150 per barrel if the strait is blocked. Even the threat alone is raising a $12 geopolitical premium on oil and could delay supplies. Measures like US-China releasing reserves and Gulf pipeline rerouting could mitigate, but only partially. Nearly one-third of India LNG and a significant portion of crude transits the Strait of Hormuz. Disruption may spike energy costs, raise insurance premiums, and strain supply security. Analysts believe any blockade would be brief, citing past patterns. Airlines are avoiding Iranian, Iraqi, and parts of Gulf airspace. Flights between Europe, US, and Asia, especially India, are facing longer routes, adding 30 to 90 minutes of flight time. This increases fuel costs and fares. Global markets have turned risk-averse. US indices fell 1 to 2%, European and Asian markets also declined. Safe haven assets, gold, US treasuries, Japanese yen, have rallied. In summary, global energy markets and regional stability are at a tipping point. Actual or threatened closure of the Strait of Hormuz, coupled with unprecedented use of advanced US strategic bombers, marks a significant escalation with potentially severe and enduring economic consequences.